remember the nights when the tears would fall, when I felt like I had lost it all. A broken promise, a fading dream. Nothing was ever what it seemed. I gave my heart, I gave my all, but sometimes even true love falls. The pain was heavy, the road was long, but deep inside I still had a song. Through the darkness I found my way, a little stronger every day. The wounds may show, but I can see a better version of me. Broken heart, stronger soul. The pain has helped me find my goal. I lost the love, but I found my light. I learned to stand and win the fight. Broken heart, stronger soul. Now I'm finally feeling whole. Through every tear and every scar, I discovered who I really are. The ocean waves kept calling my name, telling me life would not stay the same. The palm trees danced in the island breeze, whispering, find your inner peace. I stopped looking back at yesterday and started walking a brighter way. The reggae rhythm healed my heart, showing me a brand new start. Every storm will fade away, every night will find a day. What was broken can become strong, a new chapter has begun. Broken heart, stronger soul. The pain has helped me find my goal. I lost the love, but I found my light. I learned to stand and win the fight. Broken heart, stronger soul. Now I'm finally feeling whole. Through every tear and every scar, I discovered who I really are. I wish you peace, I wish you well. I let go of the hurt I held. No more anger, no more pain, only sunshine after rain. The love we had was part of my story, but my future is filled with glory. I walk ahead with an open heart, ready for a brand new start. The waves may crash, the winds may blow, but I have learned and I have grown. The person I was yesterday is stronger now in every way. No broken heart can stop the sun, a new beginning has begun. Now I dance beneath the morning sky, with hope shining in my eyes. The road ahead is mine to choose, unspoken. I gave my love, I gave my soul, but somehow I lost control. I walked through nights that felt so long, searching for where I belong. The pain was heavy, the road was tough, but I learned that I was enough. The tears that fell became my strength. I found my courage day by day. What I lost along the journey helped me find a better way. I lost love, I found myself, found a treasure no one else could give. I lost a dream, I found my light, found the strength to rise and fight. I lost love, but I gained my soul. I found the pieces that made me whole. Now I'm standing, I'm finally free. The best version of myself is me. The ocean waves kept calling softly, saying, let the past go slowly. The palm trees danced beneath the sky, teaching me that hearts can fly. I stopped chasing what was gone and started building something strong. The reggae rhythm healed my pain like sunshine after falling rain. Every scar became a lesson, every tear became a song. I discovered through the struggle I was stronger all along. I lost love, I found myself, found a treasure no one else could give. I lost a dream, I found my light, found the strength to rise and fight. I lost love, but I gained my soul. I found the pieces that made me whole. Now I'm standing, I'm finally free. The best version of myself is me. I wish you peace wherever you are. No more anger, no more scars. The love we had was part of my story, but my future is filled with glory. I learned to smile, I learned to grow. I found a path I now can know. The person I was is not the same. I rose above the hurt and pain. Like the sunrise after night, I found my way back to the light. Like the waves that reach the shore, I know who I am once more. No broken heart can hold me down. I found my strength, I found my crown. Has begun with open arms and a peaceful heart. I'm ready for a brand new start. The road ahead is mine to choose. I have nothing left to lose. The love I searched for was always near, living inside me all these years. I lost love, I found myself, found the strength that was always there. I lost a dream, I found my way, a brighter hope for every day. I lost love, but I found my soul, a heart that's stronger, a spirit whole. Now I'm rising, I'm finally free. I found the best part of me. The sun will rise, the waves will flow, life will teach us as we grow. From every ending comes a start. The greatest love begins in the heart. I lost love, I found myself. carry the weight of a broken dream, searching for hope in the silent streams. But every tear that fell from my eyes was watering seeds beneath the skies. I never knew what I would find, a stronger heart and a peaceful mind. The night may come, the rain may fall, but I won't let it break me at all. Every struggle, every fight leads me closer to the light. Tears turn into sunshine, pain becomes a brand new day. The clouds will slowly disappear, and hope will find its way. Tears turn into sunshine, a brighter future I can see. From the ashes of yesterday, I found the strength inside of me. The ocean waves kept moving forward, teaching me to do the same. The palm trees danced through every storm, never giving up their flame. The reggae rhythm filled my spirit with the song of hope and grace. I learned that every broken moment can lead to a better place. I won't look back at what is gone, a new beginning carries on. Every sunrise tells my heart a beautiful life can restart. Tears turn into sunshine, pain becomes a brand new day. The clouds will slowly disappear, and hope will find its way. Tears turn into sunshine, a brighter future I can see. From the ashes of yesterday, I found the strength inside of me. I forgive the things that hurt me, I release what held me down. I found peace within my journey, I found my smile again somehow. The road was hard, the climb was steep, but I found the strength I had to keep. Now I walk with faith and pride, with a brighter world ahead in sight. Like the morning after darkness, like the rainbow after rain, every heart can find its healing, every soul can rise again. Don't give up when life gets harder, keep believing in your way. The same storm that tried to break you will bring a brighter day. Every pain became my turn. Tears turn into sunshine, the future is shining bright. Every step I take reminds me I survived the darkest night. Tears turn into sunshine, my heart is finally free. The love I lost, the pain I knew, helped me become who I'm meant to be. The sun will rise tomorrow, the sky will shine again. Every tear tells a story of how we learn and begin. From the rain comes the rainbow, After goodbye comes a new day. I watch the sunset disappear, holding on to memories so dear. A chapter closed, the road divided. A love that once felt so united. The silence came, the tears were real. A broken heart had time to heal. But deep inside I heard a voice say, there's a brighter road ahead today. Every ending has a reason, every season has its change. What feels like a heavy goodbye can lead you to a better life. After goodbye comes a new day. A brighter sky is on the way. The rain will fall, but it won't stay. The sun will shine another day. After goodbye comes a new day. A chance to find a different way. One love, one heart, one dream to see. A brand new future waiting for me. The ocean waves keep moving forward, never looking to the past. The palm trees dance beneath the sunshine, knowing every storm will pass. I learned that losing something precious doesn't mean the journey ends. Sometimes life removes a doorway to reveal a better path ahead. I release the pain I carry, I forgive and I move on. The person I was yesterday is becoming someone strong. After goodbye comes a new day. A brighter sky is on the way. The rain will fall, but it won't stay. The sun will shine another day. After goodbye comes a new day. A chance to find a different way. One love, one heart, one dream to see. A brand new future waiting for me. I found a smile I thought was missing. I found the strength I never knew. The road ahead is full of blessings and possibilities I knew. The memories will always remain, but they no longer bring me pain. I'm walking toward a better morning, where hope is calling my name. When one door closes in your life, don't believe the story ends. The sunrise brings another chance. A new beginning can begin. The heart can heal, the soul can grow. There are places you have yet to know. Keep believing, keep your faith. Tomorrow brings a brighter day. felt the weight of endless rain. A broken heart, a shattered dream. A lonely road, a silent stream. But deep inside the fire remains a little hope that still remains. Even when the night was long, I knew my heart would become strong. The waves may crash, the winds may blow, but I have learned and I have grown. Every scar and every tear made me stronger through the years. My heart will rise again, like the sun after the rain. I will find my way back home. I will never walk alone. My heart will rise again, stronger than it's ever been. Through the darkness, through the tide, hope will always be my guide. The ocean whispers in the morning, telling me to keep moving on. The palm trees dance beneath the sunshine, showing me the storm is gone. The reggae rhythm heals my spirit with the melody of peace. Every day brings a new beginning, every struggle finds release. I won't let the past define me, I won't let the pain remain. A new chapter waits before me, a new song after the rain. My heart will rise again, like the sun after the rain. I will find my way back home. I will never walk alone. My heart will rise again, stronger than it's ever been. Through the darkness, through the tide, hope will always be my guide. I forgive the days that hurt me, I release what held me down. I found courage in my journey, I found my strength underground. Every tear became a lesson, every loss became a way to discover something greater waiting for me every day. When the road feels hard and lonely, remember you can always stand. Like the ocean keeps on flowing, you can rise and start again. No storm can stop the sunrise, no night can hide the dawn. Your spirit keeps on shining, your strength will carry on. Now I walk beneath the sunlight with a smile upon my face. I have found a deeper freedom, I have found a better place. The past is just a chapter, not the story of my life. I'm becoming something stronger, beyond the struggle and the strife. My heart will rise again, like the waves that meet the sand. I will stand through every season with my future in my hands. My heart will rise again, hope will always be my friend. One love, one heart, one melody, a brighter tomorrow waits for me. The sun will shine, the ocean flows, life keeps changing as it goes. From the pain of strength was born, a new heart rises. I remember the days when my heart felt weak, when I had no words left to speak. I carried the weight of a love gone wrong, searching for the place where I belong. The tears fell down like summer rain, leaving behind a world of pain. But deep inside I heard a sound, a rhythm telling me I'd be found. The storm may come, the night may stay, but I know I'll find my way. Every scar and every tear made me stronger through the years. I'm dancing through the pain, finding sunshine after rain. With every step I'm breaking free, becoming who I'm meant to be. I'm dancing through the pain, no longer trapped inside the rain. One love, one heart, one melody. My spirit is finally free. The ocean waves keep moving on, even after the darkest dawn. The palm trees bend but never break, teaching me the strength to awake. The reggae rhythm fills the air, reminding me that life is fair. What was lost has helped me grow. Now I'm ready for the road I had to go. I let go of yesterday, I welcome a brighter day. The past may have left a scar, but it showed me who I really are. I'm dancing through the pain, finding sunshine after rain. With every step I'm breaking free, becoming who I'm meant to be. I'm dancing through the pain, no longer trapped inside the rain. One love, one heart, one melody. My spirit is finally free. I forgive the moments that hurt my soul. I found the strength to become whole. The love I lost taught me to see the greatest love begins with me. Now I walk beneath the island sky, with hope shining in my eyes. The road ahead is waiting for me, a future filled with possibility. Let the music heal the heart, every ending brings a start, like the sunrise after night. Every soul can find its light. The waves will roll, the winds will blow, but I've learned how to let things go. I will rise, I will believe, there is so much more for me. That had to burn, the pain that once controlled my heart helped me create a brand new start. With every beat and every song, I know that I have grown strong. I'm dancing through the pain, standing tall beneath the flame. Every tear became my strength, every mile showed my way. I'm dancing through the pain, my heart will never break again. One love, one hope, one melody. Forever I will live free. The music plays, the palm trees sway. I found my peace along the way. The pain is gone, the heart remains. Dancing through the sunshine after rain.